what happens when luxury meets unrestrained power and iconic design? You get the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Exelero, not just a car but a symbol of wealth, exclusivity, and sheer automotive dominance. This machine doesn't whisper elegance, it roars it. If you thought Maybach was about comfort and class alone, the Exelero takes that perception, straps it to a V12 engine, and launches it into another dimension. At first glance, the Exelero looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, with its impossibly long hood, jet-inspired silhouette, and wheels that seem carved from obsidian. The 2026 version refines that already jaw-dropping design into a sleeker, more aerodynamic masterpiece. From the gloss black paint that absorbs every light around it, to the subtle chrome accents that trace its curves, this car demands attention, and it gets it. Every inch screams handcrafted perfection. The low-slung stance, the aggressive grille with Maybach's iconic vertical slats, and the impossibly long tail section all contribute to a presence unlike anything else on the road. But the Exelero isn't just for show. Underneath that sculpted body is a twin-turbo V12 pushing out a monstrous 690 horsepower and 1,020 Nm of torque. It accelerates with the kind of force you'd expect from a rocket, going 0-60 mph in just 3.7 seconds despite its massive size. The new performance tuning in the 2026 model refines the throttle response and smooths gear transitions, making the experience as velvet smooth as it is brutally fast. On the open road, it glides with a hush that only a Maybach can achieve, while still reminding you with every press of the pedal that it's not here to play nice. Inside, the Exelero takes luxury to another level. The cabin is a cocoon of the finest materials, hand-stitched diamond leather, real carbon fiber accents, polished aluminum switchgear, and a full panoramic roof with dynamic lighting. The dashboard is a blend of art and tech, featuring Maybach's latest infotainment system with gesture control, ultra-high-definition display, and a surround sound system so immersive it makes every playlist sound like a live concert. The rear seats offer first-class airline comfort, with massage functions, retractable leg rests, and individual climate zones. What really sets the Exelero apart in 2026 is its attitude. This isn't just a car you drive, it's one you arrive in. It's made for those who want to be remembered, who want their entrance to be as powerful as their statement. It's rare, bold, and unapologetically expensive. While the world shifts toward electric and minimalism, the Exelero reminds us there's still room for excess when it's executed this perfectly. For the select few who can own it, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Exelero isn't transportation, it's a moving monument to power, prestige, and perfection.